Hi guys, today we are going to discuss tips regards to jewelry marketing. So jewelry is something I think everyone wants to buy, but we buy with the help of our friends and family. We normally consult and ask from where have you bought jewelry? Who is the good jeweler? So I think when it comes to digital marketing, the first tip which I want to give is regards to video marketing. Video is something by which you can create that trust and also answer them whatever is there in their mind before buying a jewelry. You can create different type of videos, behind the scene videos, to show the process regards to how the jewelry is getting made. Then there are videos like unboxing videos, somebody is opening up and the kind of happiness they have. Those type of videos also you can create. Testimonials videos where they can tell why they have chosen you as a jeweler, are buying jewelry on engagement, on marriage or anniversary or on any special occasion, and what are the things they have gone through and the kind of new designs they have seen in your store. So video marketing is the first tip which is very important when it comes to jewelry marketing. The second tip which we want to give is regards to the visual content. Visual content which goes on your social media, and also you have to be regular on Pinterest. Whether you are an online platform for selling jewelry or you are a jeweler who is very famous in any specific area, for both of you the visual content appeals very well to the audience. People want to look for new designs, they want to get attracted with your collection of bangles, your necklaces, your earrings, your normal other jewelry pieces. And during their festival time and during their marriage time or on a specific occasion, they want to look for new designs, a different design. So Pinterest or social media as a whole, where you post something very good, attractive on your pages every day, it attracts a lot of audiences. So be regularly posting on social media platform is also very important when it comes to jewelry marketing. The third tip which we want to give is regards to search engine optimization. If I want to buy a jewelry, I normally search gold price today, or maybe I want to search jeweler near me. So in both such searches, if your search engine optimization is strong on your website, if you are posting regularly the gold prices, important when it comes to jewelry marketing. The fourth tip which I think is very relevant for jewelers is regards to paid promotions. These days normally people buy jewelry around the year. Whenever they want to buy something, buy the product. But there are some specific occasions on which people wants to buy something from jewelers. On their anniversary, birthdays, engagement, marriages, and then there are during the festival times people buy jewelry. During those times you have to be regular on paid ads, whether it's on Google or on social media. You should be regular on these platforms to advertise to the target audience. Now when it comes to target audience, the people you should look for is people who have interest in jewelry or people who are coming up with their life events in their profile. So somebody mentioned that I have recently got engaged, you can target to those people. And people who have shown interest in the jewelry, those are the people you can target. After doing all such marketing, if you get regular with the ads, you can also focus on creating the first party data which can be created with your custom audience and lookalike audiences. So a lot of things can be done on the paid marketing side, and this also acts like a very important tip for the jewelers. Jewelry is a segment where the most important part is to attract the right audience, then amaze them with your collection and give them a lot of trust about your brand. The last part comes as answer those queries which are coming in their mind before buying any jewelry. So we work closely with a lot of jewelers and we give them strategy so that they can sell more and more of their products to the right audiences. In case if you're looking for any such strategy to be implemented on organic or on paid side, we will happily help you. Thank you.